this motorcycle I said in the beginning. Remember this. There's some secrets for demonstrations. Want to know how that works? Can I see it? That moves whenever I turn that. So if you know, attack! Yeah. I'll show you something else, like all of my armor and weapons. But if you want to know this, Viper Snake attack! Viper Snake attack! Attacking him! Now that is gonna leave a mark. Now the snake steals his flying machine. Crash! Snake bites on so he doesn't fall down to his death. And he dies. Well, that's the end of that snake. That stupid snake that tries to beat up these stupid monsters, and these monsters are also stupid. But wait for the genie! Or the iron golem that can swim in the air. Ah, his leg came off. Or the spy with a head that's on fire! Crash. He got killed by me. Yay! Well, watch this. Boom, boom, boom. Now, who made this? My dad. He is so good at Legos. That's all. Oh, and I'll show you what else he built. He built this. And also he built, let's see, what else did he build? Well, nothing in this area. But I can show you this guy. He goes with some armor that I just bought today. See this? That goes there. And this head goes on. And then this and then he has the ghost axe. Now, isn't that interesting? That's the iron armor with the ghost axe. Now, if you want to buy that, go on eBay. If you want to go on eBay, that's where you buy all this cool stuff. Oh, you see this bag? That's where I got him in. Ah! Okay. I'll fix that later. Remember this I showed you earlier? He can crash a car! He can break a... He is invincible. Ah! Or maybe not. That's the end of him. For a while. Oh, what's this? I have a TNT and it's going to explode this whole area. Well, that explosion was big. See you on my next video.